Suspect at his home where he was arrested. Also Wednesday morning, Montgomery High School administrators learned a student might have a switchblade in his bag. They asked to search for it.
He refused to comply and actually walked away from the campus.
Police responded, found the knife, and arrested the student. Both incidents come days after a juvenile court judge found a Montgomery High freshman not responsible for the fatal stabbing of fellow student Jaden Pienta last March, a case that brought the city's schools community. In Santa Rosa, Jeffrey Shaw, KCBS.
San Francisco police arrested 17 people that were allegedly shoplifting from the same store on Mission Street as part of an operation authorities have dubbed Blitz 23. Police say the store was chosen because it was a prime target for shoplifters, although they didn't say exactly which store it was. Police say the suspects were from all over California, from San Francisco, the East Bay, as far away as South Lake Tahoe. San Francisco police have launched multiple efforts to crack down on rampant retail theft that has been synonymous with the city as of late. Oakland city leaders, they want holiday shoppers to spend locally this year. CBS's Raquel Maria Dillon explains what the city is doing to make that easier and safer.
Mayor Sheng Tao invited shoppers to browse the unique artisans and boutiques here on Piedmont Ave and elsewhere in Oakland.
We know that when our businesses are successful, that we are successful.
Oakland police say they're focused on the city's commercial corridors through the end of the year, stepping up patrols and assigning motor officers to neighborhoods. Here's Captain Jeff Thomason.
We want to let the public know that they can come and shop and dine in Oakland during the holiday season.
Melissa Roberts owns a jewelry boutique and works with the Merchants Association on Piedmont Ave.
I've been here 17 years on the avenue, and I've lived through the economic recession, I've lived through COVID, and now we're going to live through this crime wave. You know, I feel as though Oakland is making an effort, and that's the most important thing.
She's optimistic about the holiday season. In Oakland, I'm Raquel Maria Dillon, KCBS.
With the trial approaching, attorneys for the accused killer of tech entrepreneur Bob Lee are hoping to move the proceedings out of San Francisco. KCBS's Mike DeWald tells us the defense team for Nima Momeni say he can't get a fair trial here.
Claiming Bob Lee has something of a celebrity status in the tech world, attorneys for Nima Momeni say San Francisco isn't the right place to hold the trial.
Kind of like if a Los Angeles Laker is a victim of a homicide. You think that the defendant would be able to get a fair trial in LA?
I don't think so. That's Sam Zangane, attorney for Nima Momeni, accused of fatally stabbing Bob Lee following a confrontation. As part of the basis for the change of venue request, the second being photos taken by a freelance photographer appearing in local media depicting Momeni behind bars.
So inappropriate and next level ugly.
In the photos, Momeni is seen smiling and seemingly posing for the shot during a tense exchange with reporters. Attorney Bradford Cohen says they're investigating.
We didn't agree to have his photograph taken. We didn't agree to have his photograph taken. This was a skit job, and there's going to be ramifications.
The trial is set to start in March. The judge will decide on the change of venue request next month. At the Hall of Justice in San Francisco, Mike DeWald, KCBS.
Santa Clara County's gun violence task force arrested 2 men in possession of their own private arsenal and numerous narcotics. Police served a warrant at a residence in the South San Jose mobile home community and found the 2 suspects along with multiple illegal assault rifles and handguns, thousands of rounds of ammunition, body armor, fentanyl, cocaine, and 2,000 MDMA pills. The DA's office says 33-year-old John Fenn and 25-year-old Calvin Lay are facing 18 years in prison. Still to come on KCBS.
This is Matt Bigler in Livermore, where the Help Wanted sign is out at the U.S. Post Office.
We are always hiring. 108 at KCBS, trying to get you around a crash in Mountain View. Details now from Victor.
And that would be the reason why you are slow on 101 Southbound as you leave Palo Alto after Embarcadero. You're going to come up on slow traffic as you head into Mountain View. This is just before Shoreline Boulevard. It looks like everything just made it over to the right-hand shoulder. They were in lane, so better news as far as lanes are open, but you're still going to be very slow through that stretch. Once you get past that, the rest of your ride is looking really good as you head into the Sunnyvale area. This traffic report is brought to you by the San Francisco Symphony. Also in Livermore, actually starting off in Pleasanton now. The backup is really starting to stack up here on 580. From Pleasanton headed to Livermore over to the Altamont Pass. Just as you approach Hacienda Drive, After, you're going to see the brake lights. This has to do with a crash just past Isabel Avenue. It is blocking the HOV lane and the 2 left lanes. They're waiting on some tow trucks. Once you squeeze around that back up there, the rest of your ride as you head out of Livermore over the Altamont Pass and into Tracy, that is actually looking really good there. And also looking at slow traffic on the peninsula. This is on 101 northbound. This will be in San Mateo. Just as you approach Hillsdale Avenue, there's a report of some debris in lane, so that's what's slowing you down there. And leaving San Francisco, very heavy traffic on 101 northbound from Cesar Chavez to the lower deck. Join the San Francisco Symphony this December for Troop Vertigo's acrobatic performance of The Nutcracker and Peter in the Woods. Narrated by Tom Kenny, the voice of SpongeBob SquarePants. Tickets available at sfsymphony.org. Your next traffic update at 1:18 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Shouldn't see any rain until tonight, and even then the chances are pretty slight. Today it's about the sun and the wind. Gusts of up to 40 miles an hour on the higher peaks, 25 miles an hour inside the bay. The daytime highs